Hey, to pair your Sony WF-C700C earbuds with your Android phone and the Sony application, first of all you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data and then simply open the Play Store. After a few seconds you have to click on the search pool and type Sony Headphones. We have to download this application, so click on the install button. If you have this getting account details information, just click skip. Then as you can see, that's the size of this application, and after a few seconds we'll be able to open, so click on the open button. Now we have to select our region, so by tapping right here you can switch the region that you are currently in. Next, click I read the above contents and agree. Tap start, then scroll down all the way down and click agree and proceed. Then tap to agree and start using. Now tap close and click OK, and we have to accept the permission to the Bluetooth. Click on allow to turn on the Bluetooth and also click OK to turn on the location. Now we have to turn on this earbuds into the pairing mode. So on this model you have to input both earbuds inside the charging case. Then you have to rotate the case and find this button. Then click and hold this button for around 3 or 4 seconds until this indicator starts blinking blue. There we go. Now you can release this button. If for some reason it doesn't work for you, just be sure that you charge your charging case by the USB-C input that is on the back of the case. Next, right here select next and click on the WF-C700N. Right now they are connecting and click allow. And here we've got the name of the earbuds, so we can click OK. Right now we are able to sign in with the Sony account, but you don't have to. So I'm gonna skip and click later. We can restore previously data, so if you use them previously, you can click to proceed to click on the restore, so you'll get back your sound equalizer presets and other stuff like this. But I'm gonna click on this one to proceed without restoring. I want to get the fresh start. Click next. Here we can set the ambient sound control based on the actions. So I don't actually recommend you to use this mode because you can actually manually switch by simply tapping on the touch sensor. So click later. The same here, click later, click next, click later, click OK, click to go to the dashboard, and here we are successfully connected. And as you can see, that's all for this video. Right now please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.